and welcome back to another video here on my channel. As promised, I told you guys in the description box of my last video that I would be back doing a more dramatic look, and here it is. So this is for all of my girls who love drama for Valentine's Day. Me personally, I'm a little mixture of both. Like, I would love a full face, but not so much on the eye, definitely not on the lip. I'm personally more of a nude lip person, but I wanted to throw this out there just in case you guys might like it. I don't know. But anywho, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So if you want to see it, then please keep on watching. But today I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palettes because I just feel like I can get a really nice dramatic look. And this palette is widely available to everyone still. So I feel like if you wanted to get this palette, I think it's still available at Ulta, so you could go pick it up. So I'm going to start off with the shade Hunts, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to start putting that into the crease area. And I'm using a big, fluffy BH Cosmetic brush. So I'm just kind of buffing this all over. So the shade that I just used was Pooter instead of Hunts. So I'm going to go into Mocha, which is this shade here on the outer corner here. This is Mocha. I'm going to go into this shade. This I'm focusing first in the outer V area, and then I'm just going to kind of buff it over into the crease. And I'm using like windshield wiper motions to that crease area. This is not going to be the darkest shadow we're going to apply in the crease, so that's why I'm using like more of a fluffier blending brush instead of something more like a tapered brush to apply it. But this I kind of just want it to be nice and blended. So now that I have that applied, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques 203 brush. I'm going to be taking Chip, which is this deep burgundy shade here, and I'm picking up quite a bit on the brush, and then I'm just going to focus that in the outer. I'm going to tap off any excess that I still have left on the brush, and then I'm going to slightly bring this over. And it's okay if there's any fallout because we still haven't applied concealer yet, so we can dust away anything before we apply concealer. But most of the time when I'm working with dark shadows, I do not do like a full face first. I will do foundation sometimes, and then I'll do like my eyes. Sometimes I don't even do foundation, it just depends. So I like to add 2 layers of this color because sometimes it can end up being a little patchy on the first layer, so you don't want any patchiness. So then I'm going to take my big fluffy brush that I use, and I'm just going to go over that shadow with no extra product on the brush. I'm just going to go over and blend everything so that we don't have any harsh outer lines. I feel like my eyes are like shaped differently. Like I feel like my left eye is like slightly angled downward. It's really hard to get it to match up. I don't know if you guys can hear that rain, but it is like really coming down. Also just making sure it's on the eyelid as well. Just dragging it over ever so slightly. And I'm just going to go in and blend everything out. Now I'm going to go into this shimmery brown color. This is the shade 24/7, which is this shade right here. So I'm going to spray my brush before I go into that shadow. Okay, so now that I've applied that, I think I just want to add a little bit more pop. So I grabbed one of my Stila glitters. This is the shade Smoldering Satin, and I'm going to put that on top of that shade that we just applied. Go back into that dark plum shade just one more time, just to kind of bring everything together now that we've got the glitter applied. Then I'm going to go in with the lab brush that I used earlier and blend out the outer corners. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of that mocha shade and apply to the outer corners for blending as well. For lashes, I'm going to apply the Ardell Natural Demi Lashes. I'm going to go ahead and pop those on and I'll be right back. Okay, so while the glue is drying on my lashes, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer today in the shade 390. And I'm trying it again with the sponge. I believe in my Fenty video I was saying that I did not like the way the sponge blended it out. But I'm trying it again today with the sponge since my foundation has been on for quite some time. I don't want to use a brush and like brush away any product or anything like that. So I'm going in with the sponge again today. So I'm going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. This is the shade Golden. It's the brightening powder. I wanted to use my Laura Mercier powder today, but I just realized that I wanted something a little bit more brightening for the under eye. I want to keep it bright. I don't want to kind of dim it down with the medium deep powder. So I'm going to try out this Kat Von D powder today. This is my first time trying it. So I don't know if I would ultimately recommend you try out something on a night where you know you want your makeup to be A1, but I'm going to try this out. Then I'm going to take my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer and just bronze up my skin. So I will do this in lieu of cream contour because cream contour just takes a little bit longer time. And now I'm just going to dust away the setting powder. So to finish off the eyes, I'm going to line my waterline with this Profusion black eye pencil. I'm going to apply some lower lash mascara using my Tarte Man Eater mascara. And I'm going to apply a little bit to my top lashes just to help blend in. For my highlighter today, I'm going into my ABH Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette. And I'm going to be taking 143, which is this shade right here. For lips today, I'm going to outline my lips with my Chestnut MAC pencil. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Do you guys like this look? I certainly do. I think I'm going to switch the lip out though for a more nude lippy. I'm not really into these color lips. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm definitely going to switch it out for a nude lip if I do decide to recreate this look for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know you did. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!